How to fix try again later problem on Instagram. You can see here this is the problem you're facing. So if you want to fix this problem, what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. It's just a normal thing to fix this problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So you can see here guys, this is the problem you will face. So what you have to do here, I'm gonna show you in this video, and also why this problem actually occurred. This is due to the because you commented multiple comment in one photo, or you follow someone and again unfollow, follow someone and again unfollow. That time this type of problems occurs. And also when you likes some picture and again dislikes, likes, dislikes, so this type of errors comes out. So to fix this problem, what you have to do first, when it comes like this, let me just take a screenshot. So you have to first take a screenshot. Now what you have to do, so just simply click on report a problem option. So it's done. So now guys, what you have to do, it's very pretty simple. I'm gonna show you what you have to do. You have to just go to your profile icon on the bottom right. Now you have to click on these three days on the top right of your screen. Click here, and then you have to click on this settings option. So simply click on this settings option, and then here you have to go to security option. So simply go to this security option, and then here you have to click on password. So guys, what you need to do, simply click on this password, and now you have to remember what you have to do. You have to simply click on forgot password option. So after clicking to this forgot password option, you don't need to enter the right input. So you can see your email sent to my Gmail. So just click OK, and then you can go to your Gmail, and then you can set your new password. Okay, so guys, after doing this, you have to go back, and here you will find an option help. So what you need to do, simply click on this help, and then here you will find an option report a problem. Simply click on report a problem, and then here you have to click again on report a problem. Now this type of interface will be comes up. So what you need to do here you have to simply press here, and then you have to select the screenshot. So let me just select the screenshot. So this was the screenshot, and then here what you have to write, fix my error as soon as possible. It's been 4 to 5 days. So you can write like this, and also you can write in your own lines. And then what you have to do, simply click on this submit option. So just click on this submit option and turn on check. Now it's done. So the next thing what you have to do, now you have to simply uninstall your Instagram application, and then you have to uninstall your Instagram application. And then keep in mind that you don't need to log in, and you don't need to install until and unless it get 24 hours. So after 24 hours, you can download it from Google Play Store or App Store, and after downloading you can log in. I am 110% sure this will solve your problem. So I hope that you like the video. If you like it, please hit that subscribe button, and also if it doesn't work, then please comment down on my comment section. I will surely help you out.